Welcome to DynaMaker Features, Camera. Did you know you can customize camera movement in DynaMaker? You can adjust animations between points, control rotation, and even lock zoom to improve the user experience. First, let's cover some key concepts. Typically, in 3D softwares, there's always a camera, where we look from, and a target, where we look at, which is always centered on the screen. As you see in this demo app, no matter how the camera or target moves, the camera always looks at the target, which acts as the rotation point. When we rotate or zoom, we're changing the camera position, while panning adjusts both the camera and target positions. In DynaMaker, you can change the camera position using Studio.setCameraPosition with a 3D vector, and the target with Studio.setCameraTarget. However, you could use a smarter function, Studio.setCameraToFitBounds, that adjusts the camera to fit the model bounds based on a given direction and time. As for adjusting other camera settings and behaviors, you can use Studio.updateCameraSettings. This lets you control the polar and azimuth angles, allowing infinite spins if needed. Dynamically enable or disable rotation, panning, and zooming, and adjust zooming to follow the mouse position, for example. Other settings like disabling ground block allows you to pan perpendicular to the screen or pan parallel to the app's ground when enabled. Also, using an orthographic view could help avoid zoom distortions given by the natural perspective. It's good to know that many functions include the travel time argument, which controls how fast or slow the camera updates, depending on the user experience. Small travel times would make your app feel quick, while slower ones can add an impactful effect typically added when the app is open for the first time, for example. Last but not least, it's worth noting you can rebind mouse buttons and touch device gestures to different camera behaviors, offering even more flexibility for user interactions in your DynaMaker app. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.